Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You open YouTube Studio and go straight to the video you want. This saves time and ensures you have edit rights. Once there, click Subtitles. That launches the caption workflow. You choose English as the language because consistency matters for discoverability and viewers. From this screen, pick AutoSync, Upload File, or Draft manually. Each method fits different needs. Make sure to start now so you can see timing and transcript options immediately, and continue to the next steps to refine accuracy. Now you create or import captions. Paste your full transcript if you have one, then choose AutoSync to let YouTube align timing for you. If you already own a SRT or VTT file, upload it. That preserves timestamps exactly, which is faster. While editing, scrub the timeline and correct misheard words. Accuracy improves viewer comprehension and searchability. Make sure to play short segments and adjust start/end times, because proper pacing prevents overlapping captions and keeps reading comfortable. Finally, review and publish your English subtitles so viewers can enable them immediately. Play the video from start to finish, checking timing, line breaks, and reading speed. You want no more than 2 lines on screen and enough time to read each. Once published, verify on mobile and desktop to confirm consistency. If captions do not appear, first clear browser cache and test again, then re-upload the SRT file or republish captions. That fixes most display or sync errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.